People in Japan are observing the 4th anniversary of the March 11, 2011 earthquake and tsunami. The disaster devastated the country's northeast and triggered a meltdown at the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear plant. A magnitude 9.0 earthquake unleashed waves more than 10 meters high. The tsunami caused extensive damage along the Pacific coast. Nearly 18,500 people were killed or went missing. At least 3,200 others have died because of indirect effects such as illness or stress while living as evacuees. About 230,000 people were still living in temporary housing as of February. The government plans to build about 30,000 public housing units, but only 19% have been completed so far. Dismantling the crippled Fukushima Daiichi plant is one of Japan's biggest burdens. Workers with operator Tokyo Electric Power Company are struggling to deal with a buildup of radioactive water at the complex. TEPCO executives plan to clean up the tainted water by the end of March, but they say they won't be able to keep to this schedule. Authorities estimate it'll take up to 40 years to decommission the plant. There are concerns about possible delays. The most difficult task will be removing the melted nuclear fuel. The central and local governments plan to complete the decontamination work for mainly residential areas by March 2017. But the survivors fear public interest in the issue will decrease over time.
The accident in Fukushima is just one of the legacies of the March 2011 disaster. People in Japan will mark the anniversary of the earthquake and tsunami this Wednesday. More than 15,000 people died, and about 2,600 others are still listed as missing. Fukushima Daiichi suffered 3 meltdowns, and it was hit by 3 hydrogen explosions. Radioactive contamination forced tens of thousands